see my nail polish organization. So let's get started. So here we have our nail polish rack, and this is where I am going to install it. I already have a nail polish rack here, and let me turn on the lights. Okay, there we go, much better. So yeah, this is the ring light that I just installed over there, and this is a nail polish rack, and on this side of the wall we are going to install our new nail polish racks. And that's why I ordered 12 inches, because this is less than 15 inches of a space. So let's see how it goes. So I'm going to put this here, and I have a leveler using the iPhone, so it just basically tells you like if it's tilted or if it's straight. So when it says 0, that means it's straight. So I'm just going to screw them here, and then I'll show you the final results. So I'm just going to level it with the racks that I have already. So let me finish and I'll show you the final results. So I applied the adhesive first so that it can stick while I applying the screws, so that it doesn't move. So this is how I organize my nail polishes, and if I need more racks, I'll be installing them all along. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.